This is where they lay. Seems to be more consistent. They're showing up every day right there. What the hell? You want me out here, bro? That was good footage, but scary. Came right up to me. What the hell is going on today, dude? You want me out? Come here. I'm gonna get you. Okay. He's on one today. Look at this. No fear. I was just thinking how you're a T-Rex, but no fear today. I'm gonna get you. I was trying to show you guys the colorful eggs. I put these here, but the ducks have been going here. Cool. Huge. Awesome.